How to log in to your TD Bank employee account. Welcome back to a new tutorial video of how to guide if you're an employee of TD Bank and you're trying to log into your account. Then in this video, I'm going to show you the steps and the websites that you need to open up in order to successfully log in to your account. So if this video sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end. Firstly, you'll need to open up your web browser and then search for TD Bank employee login. Once you search for this, you can see the first link or the first website, which is from tdbank.ca. You can just click on this link and it's going to take you to the website of TD Bank and to the login section of employees. Now, if you're from Canada, you can click on this link, but if you're from the United States, you can click on the right link on the right side. Once you click on this link, it's going to take you to the sign in page. Now firstly, you'll need to type in your username that you created while signing up. Once you type in a username, then in the second box, you'll also need to type in the password. So make sure that both of these information is correct. And once you typed it in, just click on sign in. And if the details that you entered are correct, you'll be successfully logged in to your TD Bank employee account. So that's all it takes to logging in to your TD Bank employee account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily tutorials just like this. That's going to be all for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.